Hello. Many experiments provide open data under the same protocols and rules set up by the International Virtual Observatory Alliance. That means that the several datasets from the different experiments can be correlated and compared. The goal of this video is to show how to correlate open data from different databases using the Aladdin and TopCat clients. Here I have already opened the Aladdin client interface and I have loaded the full dataset with the neutrino candidates from the KM3net Virtual Observatory. It is interesting to correlate the neutrino candidates with another set of observations. In this example, we choose the other observations to be the gamma ray bursts because of the interesting interpretation of this phenomenon that predicts additionally the emission of neutrinos, as the gamma ray bursts are thought to be hadronic accelerators. In order to load a dataset that contains gamma ray bursts observations, we will search the Aladdin's Data Discovery Tree catalog in the left side of the screen. This supports a search engine in which I'm going to write GRBs in our case, and you can see several catalogs with gamma ray burst data. Let's choose this one that contains data for 314 gamma ray bursts. In order to correlate the neutrino candidates with the GRBs, we are going to use this cross-match tool. If we click this icon, a tab appears in which two datasets can be selected and their events within an angular distance are cross-matched. Let's choose to cross-match the events of gamma ray bursts and neutrinos in a distance less than 1 degree. Performing the cross-match, we can notice with red the neutrino and GRB pairs that meet this condition. We can notice also here that every row has the information for the parameters of both events that have been cross-matched. To continue the analysis, we can send this dataset with the matched events in the TopCat client. This is done by having the TopCat opened and right-clicking in the dataset's name here in Aladdin, and then select to broadcast the selected table to, and then choose the TopCat. If you go now to TopCat, we can see that the dataset is transferred. Here we can plot the parameters for the GRBs and the neutrinos as well. For example, by choosing the plane plotting window, we can choose the x-axis to represent the redshift of the gamma ray burst events and the y-axis to represent the number of hits for the event of the cross-matched neutrino candidate. Depending on the parameter values of the two datasets that are cross-matched in Aladdin, one can create in TopCat several plots. So this is an example on how to correlate data from the different sources and proceed to further analysis. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.